In this video, I'm going to show you how to map your imprint areas so users can instantly generate virtual samples when adding products to their designs in ZOOMstudio. Just a quick preview of what you'll be working on. When a user comes into your ZOOMstudio and adds a product, if the product has been virtual enabled and they've selected a logo, the logo will be automatically applied to the imprint area that you have mapped. You can also map additional imprint locations in case they want to switch where that logo is. So for example, with this hoodie, we have the left chest, center, and right chest. So to map your imprint areas, you're going to do that from the team dashboard. When you enter your team dashboard, the first thing you see is a list of designs being created with your studio. You'll navigate over to Library, and where you see the Marketing Assets dropdown, switch to Product Assets. In Product Assets, you will see all of the images available within your ZOOMstudio, and this is where you're going to map your products. You can start from top and work through them to the bottom, or you can use the filters to start with specific products or even tackle specific categories. In order to map a product, you'll locate the image you want to start with. You'll click the edit icon and go over to virtual samples. Now this product has already been mapped, but what you'll see is either a list of imprint areas that you provided through your data, or if you didn't provide imprint areas, you'll see a button to create a location. You'll find the one you want to turn on, click edit, and then drag the location to where it should be. You can also resize it by grabbing the handles. You can use this one at the bottom to rotate it slightly on items as well. Once you've mapped your imprint area where you think it looks best, you'll click Save Changes. Once you save those changes, that imprint area will be turned on. And if you want to offer multiple locations for that specific product image, you can go ahead and turn on any others available or create a new one. Once you have mapped the product, you'll hit Save Changes, and you'll see this VS icon appear on the image indicating to you that that product has now been virtual enabled, and you can move on to the next ones waiting for you to map. As these are mapped inside of the tool, the products will be marked as virtual enabled. So when users are searching your products, they'll know which ones will get the logo and which ones are not available for virtual creation. What users see in here is managed within the dashboard, so if you do not want to have the virtuals feature turned on for users yet while you're working through your mapping, you can turn that off in the Studio settings. So you'll go to Studio, Settings, and scroll down to this Virtuals Add-on for ZOOMstudio section. You'll simply uncheck this and save changes, and you'll be able to work through mapping your products until you're ready to come back here and turn it on. Also, while you are doing your mapping, if you want to just check out what it looks like in the tool, you could temporarily turn this on, jump in, create a design, add that product, and see where the logo lands. If you have any questions or need any support, please let us know. We do have a service available if you'd like us to do your mapping for you as well. Just reach out to hello@zoomcatalog.com.